destination right about now. Thunderstorm going on right about now. Yes, indeed. Just about got everything set up. Got a little work to do. Out here at Huntsville Park, State Park. About to get my cook on. Got my stove together. A little bit of my setup. Go inside the tent. My little table, my fan, generator, my light. Got a heater just in case it get cold. Set up REI tent, 6-person tent. Screens open, let a little airflow. Got the lake over there. Go do some fishing later. Like people coming out for the weekend. Have some fun. Relax, enjoy the wilderness. Peace and quiet. See, they over there getting set up. I need to see what the weather gonna be like. I might need to set my tarp up. I don't know. I might set it up just in case it start raining. I'll have it set up. Got a little bit more work to do. Tidy up a little bit. Got my cook stove. My meat still froze. GSI outdoor cookware. I'm not sure if you can see it. Cook stove, propane, everything set and ready to go. Got the bike on the Jeep. Might get a chance to ride it today or maybe tomorrow. Just trying to get everything set up and ready to go for the night. I'll get with y'all in a minute. Food almost ready. Who want to join me? Some of that good old deer meat. What's up? Been sitting out in the rain for the past 20 minutes or so. Second storm of the day. Here chilling in the tent. Got a little mess, had to hurry up and pick up when the rain came. I was cooking. Got that last meal the other day. Give you an idea of what's going on in the outdoor world. Rain been coming down pretty good. I guess I'll sit here and watch some YouTube videos. My brother texted me I'm at Huntsville State Park, telling me some strong winds headed this way. I mean, we just had some come through. So hopefully that was the worst of it. So I think we under tornado watch until 5. Get it thunder? Yeah. Just enjoying it. Y'all hear that rain? Coming down pretty good. I'm camping out for the first time in the REI Wonderland 6-person tent. And we've been getting some pretty good rain. I saw some videos where they showed it had some leaks at the bottom at a seam. So I weather sealed them. Hopefully that hold me up. No leaks so far. I sealed them yesterday when I got here and put the tent up, and so far so good. No leaks. Living like a palace in here. I kind of got a little unorganized in here when I had to hurry up and get in from the rain. Got some food cooked just in time. It's 2:11 Saturday. So I'm gonna just enjoy the weather and watch some YouTube. And this is what it's all about. I got my little flex tail light. It's the Outtast flex tail version of the Outtast light. I don't want to put the light in your face, but it's where I'm getting my light from. Usually I got the charge up and have to try to go to the restroom. I got everything I need. Got the power bank. Flex tail 5.0 air filter. I'm sleeping on a cot. I don't know if you can see that, but I didn't need to use the flex tail air, but my neighbor that was camping beside me forgot his pump and asked if I had one, and he had a really big king size air mattress with some single air mattress for the kids, and man, it worked great. I don't remember the last time I charged it, but everything went great, you know, so it worked well. Man, that rain's coming down. Let me see if I can't pull up the weather, see what's going on. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what we got going on. So hopefully that'll pass on over. No serious storms. Where am I? Oh, okay. Whew. We're in the middle of it. Which way is it going? We got a lot more to come. A lot more to come. No rain in my hometown. Where we at? It's where my hometown is, where I live at. Well, weather is clear skies. But where I am, I'm in the middle of a storm. Rain is expected to stop in like 43 minutes. Wow. Tornado watch until 5. But if we make it till about 4, about another 2 hours, is clear skies from there on out. Man, y'all hear that? hard out there. Man, that thunder is clipping my volume. The rain is forcing my tent down. Calming down. think we're almost out of it. Huntsville, going that way. It's almost past us. We're back in the green. I think the worst is past us. Now just relax and enjoy the rest of the day. Well, that was a pretty good adventure. Rain was great. I'm packed up on my way home. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. It rained a little bit, probably about 6 o'clock in the morning, just a little mist rain, and I got up about 7:30, 7 o'clock, and loaded everything up. Been on the road since about 8:50, about 15 minutes now. So on my way back home, hour and a half trip. It was fun, didn't get to ride my bike, had a chance to do a little fishing, eat some good food, and hey, that's what it's all about, man. That's what living life is about. Enjoy life, enjoy the outdoors, nature, enjoy the creation, man. It's amazing and it's peaceful. So y'all just enjoy your day this Sunday. The Sunday after Christmas. Enjoy your day. Be thankful for what you have, for your family. Don't take nothing for granted, you know. Tell somebody you love them today. It's a beautiful world, man. It's what you make it. It's what you make out of it. Bit of what I'm seeing is a little foggy out this morning. Heading back to the house. Alright guys, I'll see y'all in a bit. Y'all take care.